The joy of connecting with your loved ones, browsing the web, or even playing games using only your thoughts. This is made possible by placing a small, cosmetically invisible implant in a part of your brain that plans movements. The device is designed to interpret your neural activity so you can operate a computer or a smartphone by simply thinking about moving. No wires or physical movement are required.
I know I get the gang stalking, the remote neural monitoring. I heard that the remote neural monitoring is how the stalkers know where we're at all times. And that they can see through our eyes and everything, and hear through our ears and stuff, you know. And so I get the gang stalking, remote neural monitoring, and directed energy weapon attacks.